Hello friends, in this video we discuss about the overview of glycolysis. Glycolysis is a series of reactions that takes place in cytoplasm of all prokaryotes and eukaryotes. The work of three individuals, that is Emden, Meyerhoff and Parnas, has been fundamental for understanding glycolysis. Thus, this pathway is also known as EMP pathway. Glycolysis is the pathway by which one molecule of glucose is converted to two molecule of pyruvate with the generation of two molecule of ATP and two molecule of NADH. This is the overall reaction of glycolysis, in which glucose plus 2 ADP plus inorganic phosphate is converted into 2 pyruvate plus 2 ATP. In presence of oxygen, the pyruvate formed by glycolysis is further oxidized by citric acid cycle and oxidative phosphorylation to carbon dioxide and water. Under anaerobic conditions in muscles and RBC, the pyruvate is converted to a reduced end product, that is lactate and ethanol plus carbon dioxide in yeast. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you.